What's going on, guys? My name is Sage Gaming from the XK family, and welcome to the XK Bros channel. And today, as you can see, I'm going to unbox some Rubik's Cubes, which are my favorite. I just developed a personal love for them this year. This is one of the new ones I was going to unbox, but I already unboxed it. Actually, not unboxed. I just removed the plastic from it. And it's a Yeongjun Warrior. It's pretty good. Here's another one I got from Christmas. It's gonna be in one of the videos from the XK family, and go check it out. I'll just let you know if it's released. And this is actually what I got from it, from my mom. And here's another cube I have. It's from my teacher, and I got it for Christmas from the Christmas party I had in my school. It's pretty good. Love it. Yeah. So let's start unboxing. So right now I'm just gonna start unboxing this the Yeongjun King Kong Magic Cube, and this is actually good. Not sure what kind of cube is it. I'm not gonna assume that it's cube. Just saying, it's like a cube. So here it is. Sorry for the interruption. My mom was calling me. So this is the cube. Oh my gosh. Here's the cube. Just unboxed. It's pretty good. The Yeongjun King Kong. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. Pretty good. I like it. Unfortunately, I don't know how to solve it just yet, but I will soon. So this is how it looks like. It's scrambled. I'm not that scrambled yet, but it's actually pretty good. Let's see if it's that good. Kind of fast, but not that fast. Let's compare. It's actually smaller than the Speed Cube. Not the Yeongjun Speed Cube, but there's a normal Speed Cube. Let's compare to the Yeongjun Warrior. Oh, they're almost the same. That's fine. So let's get on to another cube. So what we have here is the Yeongjun. Yeah, the Yeongjun Yusu. Or like, I think it's a Yeongjun Mofa, I'm not sure. It just says here Yeongjun Yusu. Yeah, here it is. You know, just instructions on how to solve it. So the 4x4, pretty good. Although there's a different color, it's not red like it's supposed to be. Like when you twist it, it's the same color, but instead of red, it's pink for some reason. It's like the Speed Cube, but it's kind of hard to turn though. Yeah, it's actually pretty good. Sorry if there's knocking. I'll answer it right now, and I'll be back to you after I answer it. Okay, we're back. So, pretty good. Love how you can move it properly. Just not that properly. It's pretty good. I like it. So here are my 5 cubes. Yep. And there. Here are my 5 cubes. This is the new one unboxed. The new one will be unboxed. And here's the Yeongjun Warrior that I also just newly unboxed. Not in this video though. Here's what I got from Crystal, the normal speed cube. And here's the one that we just unboxed, just right now. The Yongjun Mofang. Sorry for looking at the box. Just need to memorize the names. It's pretty good. I'm sorry for saying that how many times. And yeah. Make sure to comment down below which one of the 5 cubes I have is your favorite. It's either this one. Okay. And it's either this one. This, the Pyraminx. With the Speed Cube, the Yongjun Warrior, normal Speed Cube, or the 4x4 Yongjun Mofang. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I really hope you do enjoyed. And consider subscribing to our channel. I'm literally sweating right now. Let me just on the fan. Why did I do it in the first place? So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed, all you cubers out there. Yeah, make sure and comment down below as well if you're a cuber or a non-cuber. And of course, I am a cuber. I deleted one of the videos where I was solving the Pyraminx. I'm sorry. Something was wrong with it, and yeah, okay. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye!